Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this fun little DIY for Valentine's Day. Here's what you'll need: a plastic bottle, a marker, scissors, some paper, glue, glitter, some paintbrushes, some paint, and something to use as a palette. First, you'll want to cut the pieces of paper in the shape of a heart and stick those on the bottle and space them out evenly. Now, with the help of these paper cutout hearts, trace it onto the bottle. You should have a rough outline like this. Now, you'll want to draw two smaller hearts inside the bigger ones. Now make sure you draw these lines at the bottom of each heart. These are what will keep it together when we cut it out. I've already done two, and now I'm going to show you how to do the last one. First, I'm using a hot knife to cut out the middle heart. It's important that you start with the middle heart. Using a hot knife can be dangerous, so if you are under the age of 18, please take the help of an adult to do this. Carefully cut along the lines that you made at the base of the heart. Make sure you don't cut it off completely. Now follow the same steps and cut out the second biggest heart. Once you're done, just take the hearts out and bend them where they join together so that they stick out in a 3D fashion. For the top part, we're going to have a scalloped edge, so draw some half circles all the way around. And cut it out. Here's what it should look like when you're done. Now, we're simply going to paint the entire thing red. I'm doing red because it's Valentine's Day, but you can choose any color that you like. I'm using a sponge to dab on the paint, but you can simply use a paintbrush as well. And here's what it looks like when it's fully painted. Now take your glue and add a thin coat to the edges. And simply sprinkle some glitter on it. I'm also putting the glitter on the middle heart, so put some glue on it and sprinkle some glitter on that heart as well. And we're done! This is the final look. Now the candle that I put inside is not a real candle, it's a fake one with a lighted side like the two at the back. Make sure you don't put a real candle inside because it may melt the plastic bottle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends and family. See you next time!